Family, what is up? So I'm assuming if you clicked on this video, your credit score has you in the figure 4 leg lock.
He's got him, figure 4 leg lock. He's got him. He's not getting out of this. He's not getting out of this.
Okay, it's holding you back. Every time you open up Credit Karma or Credit Sesame, you feel like the app is giving you the people's elbow, and I don't want that life for you, okay? I know you want nice things. We all do. You want a nice car. You want a nice home. And with bad credit, you can't do that. So with this simple hack, this should be able to help you get your credit score in a very, very good place to get all the things that you truly desire. Now, if this is your first time watching me, hello, my name is Antonio. On this channel, I give entrepreneurial and YouTube advice, as well as I discuss digital marketing strategies to help grow your brand or business online. And if that is something that you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now, I will say most people that have bad credit typically fall in 3 categories, okay? The first being you really don't have any credit at all. You may be young, or your age of history on your accounts is really, really young, anywhere between the 5-year range, right? Your credit history isn't built up enough to help with your credit, or you don't have a lot of accounts open. The second camp is most of us, right? You wanted to get some shoes and you said, oh, I just put it on credit, and you did that maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 times, right? I know I'm guilty. And then, you realize you're in this debt and your credit utilization is really, really high, which is killing your credit score. And then the third camp is people that just didn't plan properly and life happened and you had to put it on credit, okay? And so all these things happen to us, and then a plethora of other things happen to us as well that make us use credit. I'm here to tell you that this hack helps everybody, no matter your situation. This hack should help you out. All right, so let's get into this hack, okay? And the hack is called the piggybacking method, or the authorized user method. And guys, when I figured this out, I was so shocked that you could do this. So essentially all the method is that you use somebody else's good credit to boost your credit, right? And I know it sounds crazy, but yes, you can do that. You can use someone else's good credit to help your credit score, and I'm gonna explain it right now. So essentially, all they have to do is add you on as an authorized user to one of their credit cards. Now, preferably, you want them to add you on to a card that has a very high spending balance and that has an old age of history. Because as you know, a factor in your credit is your credit card limits, which affects your credit utilization, and then your age of history, which pretty much, helps you with your credit worthiness because of how long you had the account. Now, the reason why you want to get somebody that you trust is because obviously you're going to have to give your social to them to affect your credit score. So don't be doing this with just anybody. There are piggybacking groups that you can give your social to, and you can buy, piggybacking accounts, but you don't want to do that. You preferably want to do this with somebody that's in your immediate family or your spouse, okay? Now, the reason why this is so powerful is because you can do this with your children. So if you're watching this video and you have kids that are 17, 18, you can add them on as an authorized user. You don't even have to give them the credit card to have access to the account. You just have to put their social on your credit card as an authorized user, and boom, they instantly have good credit, okay? I do not believe in, pulling yourself by your bootstraps. Every generation should have a greater opportunity to be successful, and this is a way to do it by using your own credit to help your children. So when I have kids, I'm definitely doing it for them. And then 2, if you have friends or family that really need help, they don't have a good credit score, you can help them out as well and add them as an authorized user. So if one person in your family has good credit, they can change the credit history for as many people as they can add authorized users to. So this method is so powerful, you guys. Right now, I will say though, the negative to this is that, if the person has the credit, if their credit goes down, it affects your credit as well. However, you can get that credit card removed from your personal credit if they do mess up their credit by disputing it, because it is not actually your credit card or your credit, and it's not technically on your social, so you can get them removed from your account if they do end up messing up their credit. So that is it for the video. I hope that you guys truly enjoyed it. If this hack helps you in any way, just let me know in the comments down below. Are you going to use it? Are you not going to use it? Right? Give me your thoughts and opinions on it down below. I'd greatly appreciate it. So if you like the video, thumbs it up. It's short and sweet, right? I'm trying to pump out a lot of content now, so hopefully you guys appreciate it. So until the next time, you guys be easy.